In this video, I'm going to show you how to format write protected pen drive or USB flash. Now to do that, you need to insert your pen drive on your computer. Then as you can see, this is the pen drive. It is 58.5 GB. So you are going to minimize this. Then you'll go to your taskbar, click on search. Then search for CMD. Then run as administrator. Then yes. Then this command prompt will appear on your screen. So you need to type this part. Then press enter. So once you press enter, you are going to type list disks. Then this command will list the disks that are in your computer. So disk 0, it is online, and this is the main disk, the main hard disk for this computer. Then we have the pen drive that I just inserted, which is 58 GB. Then we are going to type select disk 1. Then enter. So as you can see, disk 1 is now selected. We are going only to work on this disk 1. Once you have selected that, we are going to write attribute clear read only. Then press on enter. As you can see, this attribute is cleared successfully. So meaning that the read only that was in this list has been cleared. Now the disk can be formatted. So once you've done that, you just press on Q, then enter, then exit. Then again you can exit. Then once you've done that, you've removed the write protection from the disk. In order to format it, you are going to come to your taskbar, right click on the stand, then go to disk management. Then you are going to see the disk here. So you right click on it, then format. Write the name or the label of the disk. So I'm going to write it Vic. Then you can select the file system. You are going to leave it NTFS, which is safe and good. Then you can click on OK. Then OK. So as you can see, the disk is being formatted now. Now there is no write protection on the disk. So the pen drive has been formatted. Now if you go to your file explorer, you are going to see it here. That's how to format write protected pen drive or USB flash. I hope this was useful. If it was, please leave a like and also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.